Okay, in this video, I'm going to go over how to find the three measures of central tendency, mean, median, and mode, and I'm going to go over how to find the range of a data set. So we're going to start with this data set over here, which is modeled on a dot plot to the right. Jessica recorded the number of siblings of students in her class. Find the range of the data set, find the median of the data set, find the mode of the data set. So for the range, you're going to find the biggest number and subtract the smallest number. So the biggest number is 6, and the smallest number is 0. So I'm going to do 6 minus 0 equals 6. So the range is 6. The median is the number that falls in the middle when the numbers are arranged from least to greatest. So if I arrange these numbers from least to greatest, which is really easy looking at the number line dot plot, I see that I have 0, I have 3 1s, I have 4 2s, I have 2 3s, I have a 4 and a 6. So now that they're in order, I have to find out which one lies in the middle. So I'm going to cross out 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1. If there's two numbers in the middle, you have to find the average of them. So I have 2 and 2 in the middle. So I have to do 2 plus 2, which is 4, and 4 divided by 2 is 2. So the median here is 2. Now another way you could find the median is using the dot plot, find out which dot is in the middle. And you would find out that there's 2 2s in the middle. So you would have done 2 plus 2 divided by 2, and you would have gotten 2 as the median here as well. The mode of the data set is the point that occurs the most often. And if I look at the dot plot, there are 4 dots for 2, and that's the most. So 2 is the mode. All right, next. Ryan's test scores. So look, he has original test scores of 62, 80, and 86, and his test scores with corrections are 81, 90, and 93. Find the mean of Ryan's original test scores. So to find the mean, we're going to add up all the data points and divide by the number of data points. So the original test scores are right here. I'm going to add up those data points, 62 plus 80 plus 86. And I'm going to divide by how many numbers there are, 3. So I get 228 divided by 3, which is 76. Next it says, after corrections, so I have to look at the test scores with corrections. After correction, what grade does Ryan need to get on his 4th test in order to have a 90% test average? So they want the mean to be 90. And they're saying, what grade does he need to get on his 4th test? So X is going to be the grade on the 4th test. So I know the grades on the first 3 tests with corrections are 81, 90, and 93. And the 4th one we're going to say is X. And to average these 4 numbers, I'm going to add all 4 numbers together, divide them by 4, and I want that average to equal 90. So let's clean this up a bit. Let's combine these constants right here. So if I add these up, I get 264 plus X divided by 4 has to equal 90. So I'm going to start solving this by noticing that everything over here is being divided by 4. So I'm going to multiply by 4 on both sides. These 4's can simplify, and I have 264 plus X equals 360. Subtract 264 from both sides. X equals 96. So his last test score would have to be a 96. Now to check this, you can say, okay, 81 plus 90 plus 93 plus 96. 81 plus 90 plus 93 plus 96. If I average those together, would I get a 90% test average? Let's see. 81 plus 90 plus 93 plus 96, that is 360. 360 divided by 4 is 90. So I know that my answer is correct. Okay, I hope this was helpful. Please see me if you have any questions.